Introducing ELMNT inks from UES, the latest advancement in wearable and flexible electronics technology. ELMNT inks are a new class of stretchable conductive inks for the most demanding applications. Its patented liquid metal nano architecture makes it 10 times more stretchable and more comfortable than ever. UES, in partnership with the AFRL, has invested years of research and development in wearable tech, and ELMNT inks are the latest innovation in the field. The result is a liquid metal ink as conductive as aluminum that is ideal for many applications in data transmission, capacitive touch, joule heating, and RF applications on a variety of wearable textiles. Wires made of ELMNT inks continue to transmit data and power without signal interruption, even when stretched up to 400%. The result is more reliable for on-body web cameras, on-body cabling, consistent heating, and more dependable sensors. Devices such as capacitive touch sensors maintain excellent sensitivity and accuracy. Fingertip sensors can be activated and maintain activity while being flexed by the user and transfer sensor information to remote modules. ELMNT ink is capable of transmitting both analog and digital signals and can transmit video signals under much higher strains than conventional inks. ELMNT conductive inks can be used to control temperatures in harsh environments, producing heat for flexible human suits or conformal heating tape in cold environments. Inductive coupling charges devices in a non-contact power transfer, and ELMNT ink ensures a steady flow of power with minimal loss even while being flexed or stretched. ELMNT inks are designed with manufacturing in mind. The family of inks come in a variety of product forms, from low to high viscosity, providing a range of versatile deposition methods that can be used in manufacturing, including ELMNT BA for blade coating, ELMNT ST and ELMNT SL for high and low viscosity screen printing, and ELMNT IJ for inkjet and aerosolized coatings. The benefits of ELMNT inks include low hysteresis, stretchable with consistent conductivity, room temperature processing, compatible with most thermoplastics such as polyurethane, and long shelf life. Our inks are stretchable, durable, highly conductive metallic inks that maintain their long-term stretchability and flexibility, holding up in the most demanding environments. ELMNT. To learn more about how ELMNT can help you solve your flexible electronics challenges, contact us or visit our website at ues.com/ELMNT.